These earrings literally give like luxury, like rich girl, expensive, like, yeah. I'm so glad I picked these out. Hey for lifers, welcome back to Life as Lee. I'm Alicia, and today y'all we're doing a jewelry unboxing. Oh, I'm so excited, y'all. I am so freaking excited. So the company that is sponsoring today's video is called Read Your Heart Jewelry, or Read Your Heart Jewelry. I'm not really sure which one, but yeah, I'm so excited. I picked out some really cute pieces. They have really bomb pieces. All right, y'all, so before we unbox the jewelry, I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about the company. Read Your Heart Jewelry celebrates the happiest moment in life with you, encapsulating those treasured memories into modern, timeless jewelry you'll want to wear each and every day. Whether it's the perfect piece for yourself or a thoughtful gift for a loved one, we hope your unique jewelry will serve as a joyful keepsake for many years to come. Thank you for allowing us to capture those precious memories for you. They did not lie. The jewelry on their website is, they have rings, earrings, necklaces, bracelets, like they have everything, you name it. Gold, silver, rose gold, everything. Moissanite has the same fire and hardness as diamonds, which is one of the characteristics that our jewelry is praised and recommended by our customers. Okay, so Moissanite diamonds are actually what they used. If you're not familiar with Moissanite, diamonds, gemstones, whatever you want to call it, it's honestly like the closest you're gonna get to diamonds, and this is what this brand uses to create their jewelry. And a lot of Moissanite products actually last really long. It's really durable. It has a hardness of 9.2 and it's suitable for daily wear. It's less expensive per carat than many other gemstones, and it's lab created with minimal environmental impact. So really it's like saving the environment but still giving and still doing what it needs to do. Okay, all right, y'all, that was a little bit about the company and like what they use in their products and all of that good stuff. But now we're gonna get into the unboxing. I'm so excited. Okay, so it just came in this regular like mailer. Let's see, it comes with a gift bag that says Read Your Heart. Let's see what else is in this bag. So it has the Read Your Heart gift bag. It comes with a jewelry silver polishing cloth. It comes in like a little plastic. I think that's really neat. And then this is just a little pamphlet about the brand. So that's what came in here. Let's get into the jewelry. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at the box. The box is giving expensive. It's padded on the top, you guys. This is really neat. And it says Read Your Heart in silver. So cute, you guys. It's giving expensive already. Okay guys, so this is the first piece that they sent me. It's the round Moissanite cross pendant necklace in sterling silver. Let's open it up and let's see, you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's see what it looks like, what it's giving. This is pretty. I don't even think you guys can see that. You guys, this is fire. This is bomb. Oh my, I'm really in love with this necklace. It's so nice. I cannot wait to put this on, you guys. I picked this out because I think this is really, you know, cute and durable for not everyday wear, but like when I have on something casual, or even when I want to, you know, spice my outfit up that's already spicy, I could put this on. But I really bought it because I really wanted a cross necklace that was like a statement, but not too bold, but like really cute. And this is that. You guys, this necklace is gorgeous. Literally, oh my gosh, it's so freaking nice. Wow. The necklace actually has a pretty good amount of space. Can you guys see that? A pretty good amount of space to where, you know, you can adjust it and make it tighter or make it longer. So I like that already. This is what the necklace looks like on. I put mine a little higher, but you can definitely put it lower. You guys, look how pretty. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see this? Look how pretty this is. It's not too big, it's not too small. I feel like it's just right. Yeah, you can definitely like dress your outfit up with this. Yeah, this is super cute. This is really cute. It gives like lavish. Like, I really like this. I'm really happy I picked this out. This is so cute. All right, y'all, the second item that I picked out were some earrings. I'm really excited for these. These are the Princess Cut Lab-Sapphire Cluster Sterling Silver Stud Earrings. I am so excited about these. I'm about to open these. The presentation on these ones wasn't as cute, so let me fix it. All right, y'all, I set the earrings up nicely in the box, so let's see what they look like. You guys, hold on, look at these. What? You guys, these are so freaking pretty. Oh my god. You guys, I did my big one picking these out. I knew I was gonna like them, but these are like even prettier in person. Oh my goodness. These earrings literally give like luxury, like rich girl, expensive, like, yeah. I'm so glad I picked these out. Oh my goodness, wow. I'm so excited about these. I know these, I love them already. No way. Oh my god. Yeah, this is giving rich girl. No way. These are the earrings. You're not about to tell me that these earrings are not giving lavish, rich, opulent, that girl, expensive, luxury. Excuse me? Look at these. Out of 10 out of 10 for the necklace and the earrings. You guys, these are so cute. I cannot wait to wear these. The earrings came with some extra backs. I love that, y'all, because I am always losing my earring backs, so I love them for sending these with the earrings. I really like the inside of the earring box. It's literally padded, so you can put the earrings right there and they can sit up nicely. That's so cute, you guys. And I like the color of the brand. Like, I like this teal bluish color they have going on. This is really cute. So those were just the two pieces that I picked out that they sent to me. They have a wide range of bomb jewelry, you guys. They have engagement rings, they have bracelets, they have regular rings, they have earrings, necklaces, anything you can think of, they have it, you guys. So bomb. Everything ranges from like silver, gold, rose gold. It's just diverse. It's so freaking bomb. I love this brand. I'm honestly gonna go back and order these in green. You guys, that's how much I really like these. These are so freaking fire to me. I'm so happy I picked these out. But if you guys want any of these items, or if you guys want to browse on their website on your own, make sure you guys use my discount code for money off, okay? So that concludes today's unboxing and try on haul. I hope you guys love these pieces as much as I did. I hope you guys go and shop with Read Your Heart. They have a wide selection, you guys. Bomb, cute pieces, trendy pieces, vintage pieces. Just, I love this brand. I'm really gonna keep buying jewelry from them. If you guys choose to shop with them, make sure you guys use my discount code. Before I go, I want to say make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to become a for lifer, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.